This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2022 Fall Carlisle auction. We're going to check out a few Cadillacs here. Of course, this is the 75 Eldorado. Look at the size of that hood. These things were so impressive. Unbelievably big cars. This is back when fuel mileage really was not an issue. That's when this was designed. Of course, being 75, it was being designed in the early 70s, which was before the first gas shortage. What a nice place to live, huh? The one thing which bothers me is that it does get a bit plasticky. But there's the California Special tag. Very interesting. It has tilt, full power seats, of course leather. We'll see what this girl goes for. Let's see, she's been repainted. Bodywork is so-so. But you have to admit, it is quite a ride. Quite a ride. That is neat. Now, if I'm not mistaken, the 75 had 500. Let me just double check over here. Oh, power antenna. Not sure if it works. Let's see. We purchased this from an elderly gentleman and owned it since '84. Had repainted the original color 10 years ago, and it is the 500. If this is your taste, folks, this would be an interesting car. Let's check out a couple more caddies. This is one of my favorite years, '66 Cadillac. This one, of course, is the Fleetwood. Notice the window treatment and how long that rear is. Just gorgeous. What a stately car. Definitely worth the Fleetwood name. Look at this interior. Is that cool? I always like the special woodwork of the Fleetwoods of this era. Now, look at that dashboard, the cutaway. You have ultimate room over there. There's your ignition switch up high, the big ashtray. Of course, you've got absolutely everything from the Sentinel to the climate control, full power assortment of windows, including the vent windows, telescopic and tilt steering. I mean, this is a Fleetwood, folks. I want to see if I can. The glove box is underneath the ashtray. I'm going to see if I can flip this open. Bear with me a minute. There we go. I've got one paw of this next 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Roller skating, what can I say? Look at dual ashtrays. Unbelievable. What a cool car, huh? Can you imagine cruising down the road with this Fleetwood? Again, 65 Fleetwood. What a beautiful car. Yes, that is real wood, folks. Real wood. Now, this particular car has low mileage on it. There we go. It's got a few little scars on it and stuff, but only has 45,000 original miles on it. My gosh. That is beautiful. Just beautiful. Look how heavy those bumpers are. We got the 72 next to it. Now, look how much wider it looks. Very interesting is that they kept growing bigger and bigger. This one only has 65 on the clock. What a remarkable car. Again, the 72. This, of course, is the DeVille. This has a 472. And anyway, again, sorry folks, I'm working with one paw. Look at that. Definitely not up to the Fleetwood, but still quite a nice place to live. That's, of course, the plastic now with the wood, but it's not a Fleetwood. You can see a difference between this dash and the 66. It is amazing. Personally, I don't like all the plastic. I really appreciate all the metal. Hang on a second. There we go. I just did that with my hip. And try to get the back over here. You can see the evolution of the fin right here, which is kind of cool. This is against the fence, so I can't give you the full effect, but really neat. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2022 Fall Carlisle auction. For more cool events like this and to promote your shows, make sure you check out your car show calendars. NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and I will see you at the show. I gotta zoom in and do the caddy thing, you know that. Zoom. Cool beans.